Ma'am, if you mind, then I could stop this video recording.
Okay, you are stopping or you are starting?
Okay, if you will, I think that, ma'am, if you will tell me that you can record, then I will record. Otherwise, I will not record.
No, no.
Actually, I'm a beginner. At present time, I'm learning English language. That's why I do a lot of mistake. Then, if I will do any mistake, you will correct me. And if you will correct me, then if anyone watch this video, they will also learn something. That's why I was thinking. Otherwise, no offense, ma'am.
It's fine. So you already have started recording, I suppose. Yes.
Now, yes, at present time.
Yes, it's recording. I can see that Suresh is recording the call. Yes. So Suresh, can I call you by name?
Yes,
Okay, Suresh. Good evening.
very
Yes,
good.
I would certainly love to know about you. I want to know something from you. So just introduce yourself or tell me about yourself so that I can know Suresh in a better way.
Thanks for asking me, ma'am. My name is Suresh Kumar and I'm from UP. I live at Kargarakud in Bahraich. As far as my qualification, I have passed out 12th standard from BD Inter College, and at present time I'm doing graduation, be a second year student. If I'll talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are watching movie, reading books, and also walking. So I think that it's all about me.
Okay, lovely, lovely introduction. Yes. So you started your YouTube channel as you said that you are a YouTuber. What motivated you to make your YouTube channel?
Okay, ma'am. Actually, I teach some student. Okay, whosoever come at my home, like I can say that home coaching. So whatever I taught them, so I upload on the video. I upload video on the YouTube. But now I think that this is my second call on this app, conversation in English. So at present time I'm doing work of the English, so that's why I think that we should also upload like this video on YouTube.
Okay, okay. So you thought of uploading conversation videos on your channel, and that's the reason you are connecting to other people. And must be the aim to learn this language and to polish your English more.
Yes, ma'am. So,
That's
ma'am,
also yes,
So, ma'am,
yes.
I think that I should also know something about you, ma'am. Could you please, if
Yes, I felt that you have watched my videos. Maybe that's the reason you have messaged. So I did not ask you whether I should introduce or not. Yes, of course, I am Manju Mishra, connecting to you from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and I have been a teacher for past 32 years. So that's in short about me. Yes, Suresh. Tell me, what do you want to know from me?
okay, ma'am. So, I think that first of all, I would like to thank you, ma'am, because I know that you have taught long period of time. You have a lot of experience of the teaching, and you know that how to teach anyone very easy way. For example, at present time, some student came at my home, and I also teach some student, but I don't know that how to convince them, that how to tell them that who they can understand easy way. For example, whatever I know that when I am expressing anything before him or her, so sometimes I feel that I couldn't teach them proper. So I think that we should also know something, that how to anyone convince a very easy way, so they can understand easy. If you, ma'am,
If
can.
you are teaching small kids, small
Yes,
children,
yes,
like starting from class 1 to 6, 7, 8. So the
yes,
easiest way is different for all the students. Every student doesn't learn in the same manner. Yes, some are kinesthetic learners, learners. Some learn by seeing, some learn by watching, some learn by listening, some learn by writing, some learn by speaking. Yes, one word,
yes,
maybe if you just give me one word, maybe I can learn just by listening. Yes, once you say, I repeat and I learn. The other can think, I cannot learn until or unless the same word I write 2 3 times. Yes, so that's how there are different kinds of learners also. So our methodology of teaching also changes seeing our students. Yes, you
yes,
must
ma'am.
be having different levels of students, their IQ level, their mentality, their grasping capacity. Yes, so the best method, what I feel, If you teach them through their daily routine examples, through certain activity, students learn very quickly. Very quickly. If you simply say 2 plus 2, 4, yes? So
Yes.
children will understand, okay, they will try to mug up 2 plus 2, 4. But once you bring two balls of different colors, two balls of another different colors, and then you teach them, now you count and it's 4. So that's how, if you want to teach adjective, you just hold a flower and you ask them to see this flower. What many things are coming in your mind? Just let them speak, let them make mistakes. Certainly, they will say something or the other. They will say, this is a flower. They might say it's of red color. They might say it's of yellow color. There are many petals. It has a stem. It has a bud. So many things they will share. And once you understood their level, that till where they know about a flower, yes, and after that you can add your knowledge, that now you see these petals are red. Why they are red? What makes them red? Why the leaves are green? Is there chlorophyll? So that's how you can add certain things after knowing their level of knowledge.
Yes,
Did
yes,
you
ma'am.
get
Yes,
my point?
yes,
Yes.
I got it, ma'am. Because
Yes.
I think
So
that they will
that's how,
try.
what I feel, that children learn with activity very easily. Yes. So you can take any example, even though each present tense, simple present tense, you can give examples from their daily routine. What did you do today? What time you got up? So they will certainly say, I every day I get up at this time, I do this, I do that. So that's how you will come to know that they really know to express their routine. Yes, and they will certainly make mistake, so that time you can correct them. This is what learning is. Yes, we just
Yes,
share
ma'am.
our knowledge and we learn.
This is very interesting for me, ma'am, because today I learned something new. So I think that I would like to thanks, ma'am. Mm.
Yes, yes,
Because,
you started your journey and every day you will learn something new. Every day you will learn something new. I too learn every day something new. This is a lifelong process. We will learn every day something or the other, some positive things, some negative things. Some will teach you. If there's somebody deceives you, then also you learn something, even though they are not doing good for you, but they teach you a lesson. Yes.
yes, ma'am, yes, right.
Yes, so every day we learn something or the other. Okay, tell me, Suresh, what did you do since morning?
Okay, so actually I don't get up early in the morning. I get up 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. Cause every day I sleep like 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. in the night.
Why do you do so late?
Actually, ma'am, if I will talk about the day, so in the day there were a lot of bustle. I mean that, uh, so that's why I think that in the evening, in the night, there were very peace and calm. So I can study. I mean that I can learn anything very easy. But if there were any bustle and noise, so anything, I think that that was not good for me. At present time, even that is not good for me. I couldn't learn anything in the easy way. If I'm anything studying, so someone would be disturb me that, and if anyone will uh, make a noise, so I will get angry. So they will also get angry on me. So I think that we should not get angry anyone. We should choose our one time. So I think that's why I'm decided to study anything in the night.
Okay, so you do self study at night, and that's the reason you
Yes,
go
yes,
to your bed late night. All right, all right. Ah, yes, then it's fine that you get up at 9 because you sleep late, so you get up late.
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
that's absolutely fine. So, are you preparing for certain exams? What do you study at night?
Actually, ma'am, if I talk about the what am I studying, so I have a lot of books, but I'm not giving the proper attention. At present time, I'm doing as a graduation, so history, geography, political science, like this my subject. Now, at present time, I'm doing to how to express our thought before anyone. So that's why I'm learning English language at present time. I'm trying to study every day English book. I don't give proper attention at my own subject, for example, history, geography, political science. So now at present time, I'm studying, only give our proper focus in English. So I think that
Okay. So
firstly,
it
do
means
like,
the students, those who come to your house, do you teach them only English or you teach them the different subjects also, all the subjects related to their class and their syllabus?
actually, ma'am, I teach English and also some different subject, for example, some JK question, and so yes, ma'am, but mainly I'm at present I'm trying to give more information related of the English language, English subject. That's why
Yes,
my
yes.
English also would be boost. That's why.
That's lovely. That's lovely that you are
Yes,
learning English well.
yes,
Actually, English has become these days, you can say, a universal language. Yes,
yes,
anywhere where you go, if your Hindi doesn't work, then there you can just make sure that English can work. Yes, but
yes.
so yes, everybody is behind this language. This is one of the reasons because if you go to other countries, leaving other countries, even you go in our own countries towards south, so there also English is very important. They don't
Like
understand Hindi. So
Karnataka, like this, ma'am.
yes, so that's very important to enhance your English conversation skill at least. Yes, so
Yes,
great to
yes.
know that you are working on your English. As I was a teacher of English, so I too love to teach people English, and even I want my English skills to be improved. So, yes, of course, this is good to know. Any more questions, Suresh?
Actually, the question is not coming in my mind as
It
certainly.
happens, it happens. So whenever you try to connect to certain people, if you think that you will forget to ask certain things, just write down 5 6 questions, seeing the person. If you watched my videos, you must have understood my level, or you try to connect to anybody, you must first, you should try to understand the person, that who the person is I'm going to connect to. So if you know about the person, just note down 4 5 questions, then conversation becomes easy.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, yes,
yes,
ma'am.
yes. Certain things we must know that what are we going to take up today, and those questions should be asked and should be answered down. It becomes very easy for you. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, yes.
Very right.
Lovely, lovely.
Nice meeting you, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you so much, Suresh. Okay. We'll certainly
Okay,
meet again in future. Okay. Have a good night.
okay. Same to you, ma'am.